Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this device. So, you can see on the phone right here the Nord is locked, and I would be typically forced to verify it using, in this case, Pattern, or if I close this, using Google account. But assuming I don't know either of those, you same. I'll just show you how you can first bypass this and second completely remove it. So for this, unfortunately, we will need another device. That's why I have the Poco F5 right here. Now it will work with any kind of Android device, so don't worry, you can use virtually any Android phone as long as it has access to the Google Play Store. Now we're gonna start off with the second phone and just get into it, and we're gonna navigate to our Play Store, and here we're gonna look for the phone clone app. So we're looking for this one, the OnePlus, as you can see. Gonna click on it and we're gonna select install. So this, well, I guess it's gonna install pretty quickly, so we're gonna open it up and prepare it fully. So let's select agree and continue. Now navigate into the settings, allow it, go back. Again, settings, allow, go back. Start migrating, settings, phone clone, allow, go back. Go back, again. Now we will need to grant access to everything that it just pops up with. And we're good to go. As you can see, it activated camera right now. So this is now prepared and ready for use. So I'm gonna lock it for now and move it to the side, and we're gonna move to our locked device for now. So here we're gonna go back to the Wi-Fi connection page, right, this one. You want to, number one, connect to your network if you haven't done so yet. Once you connect to your network, click on the eye icon, then we're gonna select share, nearby, turn on, and need help sharing. I'm gonna click on the three dots and then select share article, messages, a new message, two, any kind of number will work. So just type in random numbers, it doesn't really matter. From there, confirm that. And then we're gonna select our message. We're gonna remove the article that it automatically pastes in here. So completely get rid of it. And then you want to type in youtube.com. Now, bear in mind, I did put the www at the beginning. That is a crucial part. If you don't put it in there, it will open up YouTube in a pop-up view, which will not give us access to the section of YouTube that we need. So make sure you add the beginning www.youtube.com, which when you send it and open it up, I'm gonna tap right here to load the preview. Gonna open it up. It will open up YouTube in its full application instead of the pop-up window that you would get without the World Wide Web extension. Now in here, we're gonna now click on the account icon. There we go. We're gonna navigate into the settings. And from here, about Google privacy policy, accept and continue, and no thanks. No thanks. And once we're in here, you want to now navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. Like this. From here, we're gonna scroll down to the Google search app. Simply click on it. And from there, we're going to click on the microphone. No thanks.
Here's the definition of text: a book or other written or printed work.
Okay, let's try that again. Now, if I click on the microphone, I expect it to start listening to me. So before I click on it, I'm just going to quickly mention that we will need to tell the device to open the, I believe it's going to be Clone Phone app. But we'll see. I'll probably need to try it a couple times. The reason I'm mentioning it is it's because sometimes it might be that you need to say open the clone phone or phone clone or whatever. So I might need to attempt this several times, but we'll see. Open the clone phone application. Okay, so that's not it. Open the clone phone. Nope. Open the phone clone app. Now it did show it up here. I'm gonna try to open it up by clicking on it, but it just redirects me, so that's not where we need to be. So let's continue. Open the clone phone. That's not really what I said, but let's try it again. Open the clone phone. Google, come on. I might have an accent, but it's not that bad. Open the clone phone app. Open the clone phone. There we go. Damn, that took a couple of tries before it actually accepted or typed in what I was actually looking for. Now, from here, we're gonna select that this is the new device. We're gonna allow. So just as before, we need to grant access to everything that it will pop up with, so do so. And we're going to select right here that we're going to be migrating data from other Android. At least that's what I'm going to be doing it in my case, because other Android. And it generates this QR code. So I'm going to grab our other device. Going to go back to our application, which already should have the camera open. And you're going to simply scan the QR code. It will automatically connect these two devices together. It will select a bunch of different things, as you can see right over here. So I recommend deselecting everything and then scrolling down to the last option, which is apps, clicking on the text itself, as you see right here. And from there, select single application. I recommend selecting the smallest size application, like calculator as an example, which you can see it is 14 megabytes. So that's what I'm going to choose. I'm going to click on the checkbox right here. Make sure you click on the checkbox, not this circle. Otherwise it will, as you can see, select everything. So checkbox, and then select Start Migrating. This will simply move this single application to our device. So I'm going to click on Done, and we're done with our secondary device. Migration is now completed on our locked device. So from here, did get a bit of a failure right here, but it worked. So it doesn't really matter anyway. So from here, we're gonna just select our style of navigation. We're gonna skip setting up any kind of screen lock, and then select Done. Get started, and this will take us to our home screen. So even though it didn't even copy that application, it still worked. By basically importing anything from other device to this one, the device is kind of forced into finishing up the setup without allowing it to verify anything. So we right now have access to our home screen. Now from here, you will want to navigate to Settings and scroll all the way down to Additional Settings. Again, scroll down to Backup and Reset. Reset Phone. Erase all data. Erase all data. And once you press on this button, once again, it will begin a factory reset of the device, which is the last step that you want to take. Now I'm gonna not go through it on the video, just because factory reset is fully automatic. There's nothing there to screw up. So it will go through it. It's basically black screen, then a little bit of a OnePlus logo, and then you're back in the setup screen of your phone. But once you see your setup screen after the erase all data process has finished, the phone will be fully unlocked. So you can set it up in whatever way you want to. And that would basically finish up the bypass. So like I said, just go through the factory reset right here as a last step, and this will then fully unlock your device. Now just to explain why this works, when you perform a factory reset of the device through settings, like I showed you to do right now, what happens is the phone is forced into removing any kind of protection that is put on this device. So it fully clears all the data. Typically, when you perform a factory reset of the device through settings, the phone sometimes will tell you to verify the things like pattern, passwords, stuff like that. I don't know if it does right here, but even if it doesn't or does, right now the phone thinks we have no PIN, pattern, or password, nor does it think that we have any kind of Google account. So it automatically goes through the process of resetting everything, along with the previously used protection, which was one of the ways this device was being protected. So therefore, it's basically fully unlocking itself. So there we go. Now, anyway, with this being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.